you are going through a tough period and then you visit some astrologer or vastu consultant or numerologist or palmist or psychic reader, anyone like that, and they give you a remedy to follow. They tell you that, okay, you do this or you do that. Now, will that remedy give you result or not? A very important question, because you are putting your faith into someone, into their words. And if the remedy will not give you any return, any result, then why you are wasting your time performing that all ritual? A very important question, right? So today I'm going to share a special technique with all of you. You can apply that technique and you can get to know whether the remedy given or suggested by a astrologer or any learned person, whether that remedy will give you result or not. The technique is, when you are going through that tough time, that problem, in your birth chart, there is this Vimshotri Dasha system. You check Mahadasha, Antardasha and Pratyanga Dasha in that, right? We always follow 3-level Dasha system. In that, you check the second level, Antardasha. Which Antardasha you are going through. For example, currently, I am going through Venus Mahadasha and Mercury Antardasha. Now, I will focus on Mercury because Mercury is the lord of Antardasha I am currently running. Okay? Now, I will check that Antardasha lord where it is transiting in my chart right now. For example, if that, now there are 3 conditions you have to follow. This planet, the Antardasha lord, should not transiting in 6th, 8th or 12th house. That planet should not transit in 6th, 8th or 12th house. That planet should not be retrograde. That planet should not be placed near sun. The planet become combust in that situation. That is, these are the 3 conditions you have to check. If planet is free from all these curses, the planet is not falling in any of the category, it is free, that means the remedy will give you result. Currently, I had this Saturn return, and Saturn return is like, it drain you physically, emotionally and financially. Now, one of my close friend passed a comment on me one day, and just 2 days ago, and he just said, you are such a good astrologer, and if you are going through a malefic transit, then why you are not doing any remedy? You must do something of it. I said, yeah, I would definitely try some remedy for that. But the problem is that Mercury, which is my Antardasha lord, is retrograde right now. So no matter what remedy I do, there will be no result of it. That is the word of sage, the word of Rishi. So the practical approach is, I know that whatever tough situations I am having in my life, that is to teach me some lesson. That is to educate me, to help me grow, to help me develop my vision. So I must enjoy that because I cannot solve it. So the best way is that you try to learn something from it. So the same way you can check in your chart what is the Antardasha lord in your chart and check whether it is transiting in 6th, 8th or 12th house, or it is combust, or it is retrograde. If yes, then remedy will not work on you. It is the rigid karma you have to experience. There is no way out of it. So it's better to put your thought to that problem and just focus, meditate, and just try to understand why you are in that situation. But if that Antardasha lord, that planet is free from all these 3 conditions, then follow the remedy and get over that situation.